Welcome to Asdi courses. Technical and Professional Educational Training Hub. Admission open, in world most demanding occupational health and safety standards training programs. Othm Level 7 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Management. Mandatory units of Othm Level 7 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Management are: Health and Safety Management Practice, Effectiveness of Health and Safety Management Systems, Factors Affecting Risk and Strategic Risk Intervention, Strategic Commitment to Health and Well-being, Sustainability and Ethics in Health and Safety Practice, Advanced Research Methods. Othm Level 7 Diploma in Risk Management. Mandatory units of Othm Level 7 Diploma in Risk Management are: Principles of Risk Management, Strategic Risk Management, Responsible Leadership and Governance, Organizational and Environmental Risk, Risk Analysis and Modeling, Advanced Research Methods. International Postgraduate Diploma in Environmental Management. Mandatory units of International Postgraduate Diploma in Environmental Management are: Environment and Public, Environment, Education and Training, EMS and its legal compliance, Environmental Resource Management, Control of Environmental Degradation and Pollution, Environmental Impact Assessment. Othm Level 7 Diploma in Information Technology. Mandatory units of Othm Level 7 Diploma in Information Technology are: Advanced Computer Networks, Advanced Data Analytics, Advanced Database Management Systems, Management Information Systems, Computers, Society, and Law, Computing Projects. Othm Level 6 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety. Mandatory units of Othm Level 6 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety are: Health and Safety Management Principles and Policy, Health and Safety Management Practice, Risk and Incident Management, Promoting a Positive Health and Safety Culture, Maintaining a Safe Workplace Environment, Health and Safety Law, Regulation, and Influence, Development of the Health and Safety Practitioner. ProQual Level 6 NVQ Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety. Mandatory units of ProQual Level 6 NVQ Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety are: Promote a positive health and safety culture, Develop and implement the health and safety policy, Develop and implement effective communication systems for health and safety information, Develop and maintain individual and organizational competence in health and safety matters, Identify, assess, and control health and safety risks, Develop and implement proactive monitoring systems for health and safety, Develop and implement reactive monitoring systems for health and safety, Develop and implement health and safety emergency response systems and procedures, Develop and implement health and safety review systems, Maintain knowledge of improvements to influence health and safety practice. Diploma for Gradiosh IDSE Level 6 HSE Diploma. IDSE, International Diploma in Safety Engineering, is an international customized qualification. This qualification has been designed for qualified and experienced professionals who have some safety and engineering roles in the organizations. The diploma is very unique because unlike other diploma in OH&S, it is based on skill-oriented basic engineering knowledge necessary for day-to-day occupational safety and health affairs of the organizations, along with the emphasis on continual improvement approach in occupational safety and health management system. NEBOSH Level 6 Diploma. The key topics covered by the NEBOSH Level 6 Diploma are: Management of Health and Safety at Work, the identification and control of risk associated with hazardous agents, workplace issues, and equipment, management of stress at work, the importance of human factors in reducing incidents. NEBOSH IGC Open Book Exam. The digital format is an open book examination which, unlike an invigilated paper-based examination, allows learners to sit their NEBOSH assessment in their own home or another safe and suitable location. A NEBOSH open book examination will assess the same learning outcomes and assessment criteria as an invigilated paper-based examination. Unlike an invigilated paper-based examination, learners can have access to textbooks and the Internet. However, the questions asked, and answers we expect will differ. We will test the learner's ability to analyze, evaluate, and apply their learning. Othm Level 3 Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. Mandatory units of Othm Level 3 Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety are: Health and Safety Principles in the Working Environment, Maintaining a Healthy and Safe Working Environment, Principles of Risk and Incident Management in the Working Environment. NVQ Level 3 Certificate in Health and Safety. Mandatory units of NVQ Level 3 Certificate in Health and Safety are: Ensure responsibility for actions to reduce risks to health and safety. Develop procedures to safely control work operations. Monitor procedures to safely control work operations. Promote a culture of health and safety in the workplace. Conduct a health and safety risk assessment of the workplace. IOSH Level 3 Certificate in Safety and Health. Mandatory units of IOSH Level 3 Certificate in Safety and Health are: Unit 1, Safety and Health Management in an Organization. Develop and write a business case to recommend the introduction of an effective occupational safety and health management system. Unit 2, How to influence a safety and health culture within an organization. Complete a research report into organizational health and safety culture. Unit 3, A strategic, business-focused approach to safety and health. Complete research and a presentation on either an organization's value chain or a function within the value chain. IRCA ISO 9001:2015 QMS Lead Auditor Course. Mandatory units of IRCA ISO 9001:2015 QMS Lead Auditor Course. Principles of quality management and core concepts. Core requirements of ISO 9001-2015 and differences with 2008 version. Documentation and implementation. Most common implementation requirements. Process approach and risk-based thinking. First, second and third-party QMS auditing. ISO 19011-2018 Guidelines for Quality Systems Auditing. Audit planning tools and activities with role plays. Audit conducting tools and activities with role plays. Audit reporting formats and methods. Follow-up and surveillance audits. Critical success and failure factors in QMS auditing. IRCA ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System. Mandatory units of IRCA ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System are: Environmental Management Systems Overview and Environmental Issues. What to look for in context of the organization. What to look for in implementation and operation. What to look for in leadership. Planning and support. What to look for in operation, performance evaluations, and improvements. Environmental legislation and auditing for the process of implementation and compliance. Audit management and technique. Accreditation and certification processes, ISO 17021, IAFMD1. Auditor competence, ISO 19011, IRCA norms. Practical exercises, workshops and feedback. IRCA ISO 45001-2018 OHSMS Lead Auditor Course. Mandatory units of IRCA ISO 45001-2018 OHSMS Lead Auditor Course are: Plan, Do, Check, Act, Approach. Audit plan and agenda development. Performing the review, including talking with, following review trails, process, and procedural evaluating. Audit report composing and input strategies. Following up the consequences of reviews with an accentuation on constant OHS framework enhancement. Leading an audit group. The significance of powerful and successful hazard appraisal. HACCP Food Safety Level 4 course. Mandatory units of HACCP Food Safety Level 4 course are: National and international role for HACCP. Planning an effective HACCP system. HACCP team leader requirements. Practical application of the Codex HACCP principles. Effective verification and maintenance of HACCP systems. Effective implementation of HACCP. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, safety course for oil and gas field. After completing this course, learners will be able to identify potentially dangerous properties of H2S. Describe sources of H2S exposure. Determine when exposures are not within safe H2S exposure limits. Summarize protective measures to guard against H2S exposure. Select appropriate personal protective equipment to protect against H2S hazards. Plan an escape route given an area's wind direction and terrain. Recognize symptoms of H2S exposure. Respond appropriately to an emergency release of H2S. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937 0092321505 6755.